Question number 2, and question is 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Okay students, for solving this question, firstly we have to make a pair of linear equation, right? So let's assume present age of Nuri be x and present age of Sonu be y. Now let's come to the first conditions, and here is written 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Okay, it means 5 years ago Nuri's age was x minus 5. Similarly, 5 years ago, Sonu's age was y minus 5. Why did I write this? Bhandahiri, suppose present age of a boy is 16 years, right? Now how old was he 5 years ago? Bhandahiri, suppose 5 years ago, 5 years ago, we can easily find his age 5 years ago by subtracting 5 years from present age. 16 minus 5, then we will obtain his age 5 years ago was 11 years, right? By the same way I have written this, where x and y is present age of Nuri and Sonu respectively. So 5 years ago Nuri's age was x minus 5, and 5 years ago Sonu's age was y minus 5. Are you clear? Now again let's come to the given situation, and here is written 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Okay, it means simply 5 years ago Nuri was 3 times older than Sonu. So to make these two equal, we have to multiply Sonu's age by 3, and in doing so we will obtain x minus 5 equal to 3 into y, 3y plus into minus 3 5 ja 15. Again x, okay, this plus 3y comes to LHS and becomes minus 3y equal to minus 15, and this minus 5 goes to RHS and becomes plus 5. Now x minus 3y equal to, after subtracting we obtain minus 10. Okay, this is our first equation. Now again let's come to the second conditions, and here is written 10 years later Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Okay, it means 10 years later Nuri's age will be, okay, present age of Nuri we have assumed here x. So 10 years later Nuri's age will be x plus 10. Similarly, present age of Sonu we have assumed y. So after 10 years she will be y plus 10 years, right? So according to second conditions, we came to know 10 years later Nuri will be 2 times older than Sonu. So to make these two equal, we have to multiply Sonu's age by 2. In doing so, we obtain x plus 10 equal to 2 into y, 2y plus into plus 2 tens are 20. Now x, okay, this plus 2y comes to LHS and becomes minus 2y equal to 20, and this plus 10 goes to RHS and becomes minus 10. Now let's proceed to another page. Now x minus 2y equal to, after subtracting we obtain 10. This is our second equation. Now according to elimination method, we can subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Our second equation is x minus 2y equal to 10, and our first equation is, let's check over here, x minus 3y equal to minus 10. X minus 3y equal to minus 10. Now plus x will be minus x, and minus 3y will be plus 3y, and minus 10 will be plus 10. Now these two x will be cancelled, and here minus 2y plus 3y, after subtracting we obtain 1y equal to, and 10 plus 10, and here also plus 10. So after adding we obtain 20. Okay, in this way we have obtained the value of y is 20. Now by using substitution method, we can put this value of y in equation 1. So our first equation is x minus 3y equal to minus 10. So x minus 3 into y equal to, we have obtained 20. 20 equal to minus 10. Again x minus 320 is 60 equal to minus 10. Now x equal to, this minus 60 goes to RHS and becomes plus 60, and this minus 10 as it is, and finally we obtain the value of x after subtracting 10 from 60, 50. In this way we have obtained the values of x and y, where x equal to, we have assumed Nuri's present age, and y equal to, we have assumed Sonu's age. So in answer we can write Nuri's age is 50 years and Sonu's age is 20 years. This is our final answer.